Hey guys, Aaron from Simply New England here. Going to change things up a little bit today. We are going to move away from the CF Moto brand and back over to the Jeep Wrangler. So what I have for you today is a really quick, easy install to replace the stock antenna on your 2007 to 2021 Jeep Wranglers and Gladiator. It will fit on the Gladiator. So what I have for you here is the Rydonair 13-inch antenna. I did get this off of Amazon. I have tested it. I have installed it, uninstalled it for you in order to bring you this video. So what you're going to get with this is the rubber antenna and the carbon fiber antenna base that screws in to the antenna base on the Jeep, and then of course into the antenna itself. Now, a few things about this antenna before I get into the install. It is made of, the jacket of the antenna is made of premium rubber. So that's going to help sustain its life through extreme weather. So for those of you that overland, get out there in the trails, it's definitely strong. It's made of really good material. So the column here, this has all been designed with carbon fiber. This is going to help hold the base on, as I had mentioned it previously, and I happen to like how that looks. It's got a pretty neat design to it, cool look. So that's a plus. Next, what you have here is the Rydonair antenna also offers shape memory. It does have a flexible material that's inside of it, and that antenna again is going to allow for shape memory and can spring back into shape in an instant when bent. So that's a positive, because as we know, when we're out riding, we do hit branches, things that get in the way, obstacles. So if you're riding along and a branch pulls this thing over, it's going to snap back and it's not going to break. As I had mentioned earlier, the other thing I like about this is the antenna is going to fit the Jeep Wrangler JK, JKU, JL, and JLU 2007 model through 2021 and the Gladiator. Now, it is not going to work on a Jeep that is made previous to 2007. So keep that in note when watching this video. If you have a 2007 or older, well, you can continue watching, but it's not going to be much of a help unless you're really handy and you know how to customize your own adapters. The other thing I wanted to point out about this is it does come with a 1-year warranty. The reception on this, I tested it. It is really good. It was definitely designed for maximum AM, FM reception for a low profile antenna. Now let's get to the dimensions on this. So this piece here, this is going to be, it was 1 1/4 inches. And then the antenna itself is 12.8 inches, which gives you a total of a 13-inch antenna. The other great thing about this antenna, easy install, one tool install. Some of you might even be able to unscrew this from the base with your fingers. If not, you're going to use a 3/8 inch wrench. So one tool install, super easy. As I love to say, if I can do this, you can do this. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the easiest, it is 100% a 1 install. Anyone can do this. So with that being said, let's go on over to the Jeep, and I'm going to show you exactly what the current antenna looks like, and then I'll do a quick install. It's going to take maybe no more than 5 minutes to do. Probably less time if you're not filming and trying to talk to people on YouTube. But let's go over here and take a look. And guys, as always, with any video that I do, if you're interested in this product, the link to purchase this will be in the video description. You'll just simply click on the link. It will bring you to the page where this is being sold. Once you're in there, you'll also be able to check out the different lengths of antenna available. And without further ado, let's get on to the install. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button, the like button. Your support is highly appreciated. The subscriber level has been going up. I can't do this without you guys. Let's get to it. All right, so here's the current state of affairs. You've got the metal antenna here, which does that. And I probably shouldn't have done it so hard. When you hit trees. So this here tends to come back here and scratches your wonderful, nice new paint job. And the reception on it, it's nothing amazing. It works, of course, but it's ugly. I don't like it. Let me see if I can step back a little bit here, because I'm going to show you the before, and then obviously when it's done, I'm going to show you the after. But as I was saying, all you're going to do here is you're going to unscrew this with your 3/8, take this off, put the other one in, and you're going to have a nice looking antenna right here. So why don't I go ahead and show you this install. But again, I did want to show you what it currently looks like. And one of the major cons, again, it slaps back, can scratch your paint. It gets caught on branches, gets caught on whatever it is. When you're going down the highway, it's waving all over the place. When you're in the car wash, you're all concerned about this thing breaking. And again, depending on what kind of car wash you use, it bends it back. Metal is not forgiving. If this bends this way, it's staying that way. And the integrity is then compromised. All right, so here we go with this. So, like I said, the first thing you're going to need is the 3/8. All you're going to do here is simply take it. You have a groove that's in your antenna, and loosen it. There you go. That is off. Now what you're going to do here is you're going to take your antenna from the box and your adapter. Take the carbon fiber antenna base piece, screw it right in. Nice and simple, just make it nice and hand tight. That's in. I'll give you a closer look. Easy, easy. Then take the antenna itself, come around over here. At this point, you don't even need the tool any longer. Just screw that in, tighten it down. There you have it. Look how much nicer that is. Doesn't hit anything. If it does, it's plastic. Low clearance. Now they do have a 7-inch if you don't even want it to come up this tall. So you'll also find that on the Amazon page. They have a 7-inch antenna. But again, this is the 13. I went with a little bit taller because I live here in New Hampshire. We have a lot of trees here. I wanted to be able to get that little bit better of reception. So you can see the difference. New antenna, old antenna. Loving this. I think you will too. That's why I'm recommending it. I am not affiliated with this company in any way. However, I thought this was nice and I wanted to bring it to you and share it with you. We haven't done a Jeep video in a while. This was a simple install that I think a lot of you would be interested in because it does change the cosmetics on your Jeep. Easy mod, easy upgrade. Alright, so let me just show you a quick demonstration here. Here we got with the new antenna that is on and installed, so you can see. And then we'll go over here to the radio.
Being here.
It's getting all the stations in my local area that we have. And then of course your AM right off the bat pulls in the reception. So as I mentioned, everything works excellent, and that's your demonstration. Just wanted to make sure the proof was in the pudding. Guys, thanks for tuning in to Simply New England. I hope to see you next time. Peace out.